Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you guys, it's a series I'm starting. It's going to be called The Firestone Way. It's going to be in the Firestone playlist, along with the rest of my Firestone videos, but I want to do a series on it, and just tell you guys the way Firestone wants every technician they ever have to do things. So in this video, it's going to be about torquing wheels. Now I got 3 cars here, one being my own car, 2 being people's cars. I don't know whose they are. But anyway, I'm going to just teach you guys how to torque the wheels properly. And this isn't going to be with an actual torque wrench or anything, because I don't have the snap-on one with me, but they supply a snap-on torque wrench, and it goes up to 200 something pounds, 250 foot-pounds, I think. But you'll never have to go up that high. And I'm going to teach you how to do it on a 4 lug nut pattern, and a 5 lug nut pattern, and a 6 lug nut pattern. Because that's basically what you're going to be working with, and anything above 6 lug nuts is the same as 6 and 5. I'm just doing 6 and 5 because that's around me. And 4 is on my car, which you're lucky, because I thought I was going to have to wait until my brother got home. So with a 4 pattern lug nut, okay, so you're going to have the jack still underneath the car. You're going to lower it until the tire just barely touches the ground. And then you're going to take your torque wrench after you've already pre-torqued every single lug nut with your torque stick and impact, because you got to go. So when you do it with your torque stick and impact, they don't really, it doesn't matter how you do the torque stick, pre-torque the lug nuts and what pattern you do it that way, because you can do it in a full circle and it doesn't matter, or you can do crisscross. But how you're going to torque them down, see, on this Toyota it'd probably be 83 foot-pounds or 76 or 80, something like that. Anywhere between 76 and 83, it's going to be in that range. So you're going to go from this lug nut. It doesn't matter where you start. You could start here, you could start here, you could start on any of the lug nuts, but this the pattern you're going to want to go into, no matter what lug nut you start with. So you're going to go from this lug nut to this lug nut to this lug nut to this lug nut. And what they actually want you to do is then go in reverse. So you go from this lug nut to this lug nut to this lug nut to this lug nut. Now it's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not going to try to go into anything major, because I feel like people should get it. Basically, try to go for a star pattern, and if you can't do a star pattern like on 4 lug nut wheel, you go crisscross, over 1, crisscross, and then back again, so all of them are torqued properly. Now a 5 lug nut, like what's on this Ford here, you're going to go from this lug nut after you've already pre-torqued them. Your jack's still underneath the car, wheels barely touching the ground. You go from this lug nut here, and it's probably going to be like, I don't know, somewhere around 100 foot-pounds. But you're going to go from this lug nut to this lug nut to this lug nut to this lug nut to this lug nut. And like I said before, Firestone wants you to go in reverse, so you're going to go from this lug nut to this lug nut to this lug nut to this lug nut to this lug nut. Now, a lot of people, most people at my shop anyway, they'll just hit them twice. So they'll go bang, click, bang, click. So like you're staying on this lug nut and you just click it twice. But I mean, technically it does make sense to go in reverse after you've already did a star pattern, and then you go into reverse or whatever. But now I'm going to show you a 6 lug nut. And this is what a 6 lug nut looks like. So it's going to be the same, basically the same as a 5. So say you start here, you're going to go from this lug nut to 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 this lug nut. And you're going to go in reverse. You know, you just want to keep on crossing. You never want to go beside each other. You always want to keep on crossing. Or you can go bang, 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 bang. Yeah, but just keep on crossing, and that's the Firestone way of torquing wheels. I hope this video helps somebody out. If it did, leave a like, and if you want, subscribe. I'll be posting more Firestone videos who knows when I'm going to post them. This one came out 25 days after the last one, so yeah, I post on my own schedule. I already have a job, so I'm not looking for money from YouTube. I just want to inform people about Firestone and what Firestone provides and what they want from you and all that fun stuff. Thank you guys, and peace.